The main mistake as a beginner photographer is thinking that you just have to learn how to get better with your camera and how to find clients. You think this way, you're never gonna be able to make it happen in the photography industry. And most likely, if you are here, it's what you want to do, make a living from your camera. But don't worry, because in today's video, I'm gonna tell you about the 5 main things you really have to master. And in combination, you're gonna be able to build up a photography business from zero. There are so many things you have to learn, not just photography, unfortunately, but you can learn everything and it's quite easy to learn it because internet, right? So it's very affordable to learn it nowadays, and you're gonna be able to put in practice everything I'm gonna tell you in this video, and I hope you do so because it's gonna help you a lot. So the first thing would be mastering social media. You have to take social media seriously. Stop looking to other photographers or other content creators and comparing yourself to others. Focus on building a nice feed in your Instagram account or a nice TikTok or whatever you use, because that's gonna be very good to find clients. And obviously, that's your portfolio as well. I always tell you to have a website, and please have a website if you wanna look professional, but then social media is very useful for self-promotion. When I started in photography over 14 years ago, we didn't have this. So you had to spend a lot of money in Google Ads to be able to be discoverable by potential clients. I never did this, so I did struggle a lot in London to make it happen. But now we have social media and you have the power to grow, and you have to use it because that's the way potential clients are gonna discover you when you are a beginner. This takes me to the next point, which is video. You really need to learn video. This is not a choice. You have to learn it, guys. If you want to be a photographer, unfortunately, nowadays, you're going to need to learn video to don't miss out on clients. Because clients nowadays, when they want photography, they ask you if you can do video content for them as well. Because we all are in social media, all the businesses are in social media, and we all need video content. Because as you can tell, video is dominating the industry. So, first, you have to learn video for client work to be able to don't lose clients towards other photographers that know how to do video, and also to grow your social media. Because Reels are here to stay, TikTok is here to stay, but the very positive thing about this, when you learn it, you're gonna be able to grow way quicker and you're gonna be able to be more discoverable by potential clients. So this is a must, it's not a choice anymore. I love video now, like I really love it. I wanna get better at it, and I've just spent $1,300 in a course. Yes, it was painful to spend that money because it's a lot of money, but guys, I really want to get better at video making to bring you better videos. Why? Because I care about my channel, I care about you, and I love filmmaking. I tell you how much money I spent just to show you that even though I'm a creative director, I'm a photographer, I consider myself successful, let's say, I have my clients, I work doing what I love full time, I still invest in knowledge. A lot of money in knowledge, because I love it and because in the creative industry, you really have to adapt, because otherwise others will, and then you're not gonna be able to make it. And the next point would be marketing. Marketing is nowadays very linked to social media, which makes things even easier, because when you dominate social media, marketing goes hand by hand. With marketing, I mean, for example, worrying about sharing nice Instagram stories, like with nice graphic design, but I do have a video telling you about my favorite apps to do this, and they are for free. I'm gonna link it somewhere here. So you don't even need to know about graphic design because you have templates to choose from to swap with your photos and with text. So marketing is a bit about that, sharing nice stuff, promotions of your photography, maybe doing some graphic design in some of your posts, link with your photos and your videos and Instagram Reels. You have marketing in your hands, but you have to learn how to do it as well, because it's not everything about graphics. You really need to know who is your potential clients, who to target them, how to talk to them in social media, because the biggest mistake of photographers is that many times, me at the beginning as well, it's like I'm talking to another photographer on my Instagram account. And this is a huge mistake. You have to talk to your potential client. So if they're saying how beautiful this picture is and the gear you used, talk to a client. If it's a portrait photo, for instance, you just have to put, I don't know, I like this pose with the models, it was very comfortable, and these are 3 tips to pose better in your photos. That's a post for a client who may shoot with you. You see what I mean? So you really have to master marketing, because even if you are an amazing photographer, if you don't know about marketing, you're not gonna be able to attract clients on your website or in social media. So this aspect is very important. And there is a platform I've been always recommending to you since I started my YouTube channel, because I've been using it a lot, which is Skillshare, which are sponsoring today's video. You're gonna be able to find so many classes about the creative industry, where you're gonna be able to learn topics about freelancing, photography, marketing, social media, video. You're gonna be able to learn everything you want. And particularly, before I started my YouTube channel, I needed to learn how to build a YouTube channel and how to do video editing for my YouTube channel. So I did take this class from another huge productivity YouTuber, which showed me how to edit with Final Cut Pro, and that's how I started my YouTube channel. So this platform is gonna help you a lot. There is a massive community of creatives over there, and to the first 1,000 people that click the link I'm gonna put below, you're gonna join a full month free trial, which means you're gonna be able to take all the courses you want in a month. And that's crazy because you're gonna be able to learn a lot from other creatives, and I think this is gonna help you with the topic of this video actually, because everything I'm talking about today, you're gonna be able to find courses over there for free. So go check that link below because it's gonna help you a lot. Thank you so much Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, because it did help me a lot in my career. And the next point I'm gonna be talking about today is freelancing. Freelancing is not just jumping into an adventure and start making money with your camera. It's hard. You have to be very organized, you have to know a little bit about finance till you get an accountant, and you have to be very productive, which is gonna take me to the next point, but I'm gonna tell you later. So when you are freelancing, you really need to know how to do things. You are your own boss. Freelancing is a huge responsibility and you have to have a lot of discipline. So you really have to learn this, because it's not valid anymore to make money with your camera and maybe not wanting to work one day because you are tired, and no, you are losing money. Many times I'm tired, many times I say no to my friends to go out because I really have to work. Nobody's covering for me. If I'm sick, I cannot call sick because I'm the one in charge. So you really have to master freelancing as well. And the next topic, which is very related, is productivity. I'm getting into productivity topics a lot with other YouTube creators. In Skillshare as well, you have productivity courses that they are incredibly good. And I'm trying to get better at this because, as you may have noticed, I do have client work. I do have my YouTube channel. I do have my amazing private community where I share more videos even, and I have already a big community there. So thank you so much to everyone that is there already supporting my channel. So yeah, I'm all over the place with projects and things I want to do. And I'm one human being and I had to do the task of 20 people. So I really had to be very organized. I really had to improve my productivity system. And most likely, if you are not a photographer yet full-time and you wanna do it, probably you have a full-time job. So I'm sure you can agree with me, you really need to be very productive to be able to do your job, to pay your bills, and then find time to learn photography and to make it happen. This is a topic for another video because someone asked me to do this video, and I'm gonna do it because it's exactly what I did in London. I was working full-time and then slowly I transitioned. And I think it's very interesting for you to know this because I'm sure it's gonna help you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, because I cover all these topics and I think they're gonna help you a lot in your career. But if you master these 5 things I told you, there are many others, okay? But these are the main ones. If you master this, you're gonna be able to make it happen as a photographer. I promise you that. It takes time, but now we can learn everything online. Make sure to check out the link below and get your free trial for Skillshare because it's a full month, which is very good. And also, if you finally listen to me and you want to learn video, I do have a video, I'm gonna link it somewhere here, where I show you a free software. Free, you don't have to invest anything, and it's very easy to use. So you're gonna be able to learn how you can start doing Instagram Reels, TikToks, and a few things to break the ice with video. As usual, subscribe to my channel and like the video because it helps me a lot, and I will see you very soon. Big love.